I don't sleep on the money, my nigga. I had to go get it, had to go and run me a check. Niggas stay hating on me and they watch what I do, but they know where the business be at. I'm making this place, got my phone blowing up. No, I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the track. I try to stay out of this shit. Told my mom I'd be good, but I knew I'd be going right back.
Alright, I figured I would start this video sooner than later. So I telling myself before I started this, I was like, I'm gonna make a video out of this. But then, per usual, I'll get started on the project and I'll completely forget making the content behind it. But what we're doing today is removing the tow control arm. Obviously, first step is gonna be removing your wheel. It won't look anything like this. This is completely an aftermarket setup with the spacers on it. Don't be worried if it doesn't look the same. It's literally the same bolts. Even if it's OEM, you'll have the same bolt setup. You got the camber control arm, and then you got your tow control arm. After you replace these guys, I highly recommend going to an alignment shop and getting your alignment done professionally. I am going to let the pros do it. I'm not going to mess around with that. But yeah, it's very straightforward. You got this one bolt right here. When you replace these and you put them back on, I recommend putting this one on first and that one, because I've read a bunch online about people having a hard time aligning this section of it after putting that part on first. That'll happen on these tougher jobs. I know there's a much easier way to do this. I know I'm gonna hear about it in the comments and they're gonna be like, Dax, you're a fucking idiot. Who the fuck gave you tools and said, yeah, go work on a car? You know, to that, I'm gonna say, at first I was a salesman. I wasn't the guy working on the car. I was the one selling the cars. Somehow, some way, I became the one working on the damn cars. So do that shit. I'm not even on the boat. The motherfucker doesn't want to be a motherfucking cooperative motherfucker. He wants to be a pain in the ass motherfucker. The fucking give it over the easy as that. It's just that easy, bro. It's literally that easy. It's literally that easy, bro. So here's the old one, all beat up, and you can see the bushing is toast. And then here's the new ones. I did notice, it is a little bit smaller of a size. Metal seems to be the same quality. Everything seems to be the same quality. Completely different brand, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so in this part of the video, I just kind of want to go over the finish work and the things you'll need to know. It's literally just the reverse process of taking it off. It's very straightforward. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me put, you know, more bolts on. When you are adjusting it, literally just twist it. If you go left or right, or you know, forward or backwards, that'll determine if it goes in or out. You can pretty much eyeball it for the most part and get it somewhat dialed down. After doing this, you'll always want to go to the alignment shop. But once you have your setting where you want it, then you're just going to take these bolts right here. You're going to tighten them as much as you can, one on each side. Very straightforward. But now she's on there. Now I can lower it and get it off the jack and go for the test drive. One thing that I really want to point out when installing these ones, at least, if you have bushings on it like that, they look like that right there. If you're having a hard time, even if you don't have the same one but it's similar, and you're having a hard time getting this actually in between the frame and this cutout right here, or even if it looks a little different on, like, let's say an M3 or like 335 or whatever, the best way to go about it is to take the bolt, have this out first, take the bolt and stick it through, and then kind of use the bolt as, you know, to create leverage. Use your hand too. You can put it on the ground if you need to, but what I did is I used the bolt and I held it in my hand, and then I forced it to turn the angle, and I made it straight. It was flat, like even with, you know, it went straight across right here. And then I made sure that, you know, it was completely straight and even with this, and then when I slid it up, it just went right up in place. I had no problem with it. If it's angled at all, it won't be able to go into place. So I just wanted to point that out in case you end up having bushings like these. That's the workaround right there, just a slight angle adjustment. But yeah, very straightforward install, very easy to do. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stick around for more content on this car. I'm gonna be making more tutorials, other kind of content. Whatever you guys want to see, let me know in the comments. Start making more videos about it. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that follow button, and stay tuned for all the future events that we do. Peace.